Hello students, right? So today I am going to tell you about how to learn. So there are different options, there are different activities you can do in Smart World. And for that, like you can see your profile, you can see here fees details, attendance, homework, penalty, portfolio, revision day. So it depends on user to user how they are associated with Smart World, for which program they are associated. Okay, time management, it's very important. Plan time. So you will be taken to a new window where you will plan, right? So when you sleep in the night, that time you have to mention wake up. When you wake up in the morning, you have to mention breakfast, when you take your breakfast, when you take your lunch, dinner, snacks, so everything, right? So whatever is there, just click here. Then like fix the time. Okay, first fix the hours, then fix the minutes, right? And just set. Okay, like this you will do. Then you have your, right? So after that you will submit over here. Submit button is there. Then you have to update, like if already you have set, then you can update it. Okay, right? Then you have to analyze. There is an analysis of this particular everything, how you're doing it, everything is there. Okay, then you have motivation segment. First is motivation, because we have to be motivated every time. So motivation is very important. Once you click on the topic, that particular topic will come. Okay, so particular topic will come. And once you submit your like video, right, so it will come over here. You just have to submit your link of that particular video. Once you submit, it is checked, then the comment will come, right? Okay, so here you can see who has checked, how many stars they have given to you. Here is the real topic. Okay, so this way, like you can do motivation. Just go through the motivation video and you have to repeat everything. Then for technical also you can do the same thing. Technical, whatever topic it is assigned to you, it will come, and topics will come one after another. Like once you do your, right, so once you do your topic, that topic will come again, right? So this way, like you can do your Photoshop also. Then after Photoshop you have your spiritual, right? Spiritual also the same thing. Listen to the topic for that particular day, right? Okay, then you have your language skills. In language skills also you have so many things, like you can go over there and you can see module A, module B, vocabulary test you can take, and test results you can see. Okay, there are different types of sentences you must have submitted. So how you take up the course, how you do it, these all results are there. Okay, then you have your academics. You can click, you can select any subject, right? Okay, so subjects will come over here. This is the overall academic report, how many chapters from which subject he has done. And if you click on that, then you will be able to see what he did in that reading, writing, or whatever, like. Okay, so this way you can do it. And then like you can select the chapter. In that chapter, right, you can select the chapter, you can select Okay, so this way like you can do it. Particular chapter only you have reading video, where like teacher is reading entire chapter for you. For every chapter you have digital explanation, you have explanation in English, you have explanation in Hindi, you have explanation in Marathi. Then you will get the question answers, the textbook is there, oral test is there, then teacher's explanation is there, then online test is there. So for every chapter you have this many things, right? So you can go through, you can see how you can do it, and you can enjoy learning, right? Okay, so this way like you can do. There are a lot of other activities also we are planning, it will come soon, right? For recorder, it will record, right? So shortly we'll be able to train you on how to record and upload also, but this is how you can learn. So activities are also there. So basically we are trying to cover up every year 5 different activities like creativity, you can do drawing, you can do dance, drama, yoga, so many activities, right? So same way like you can learn vocal, that is singing or something related with voice. Sports also, there are a lot of sports that we are going to cover up, we'll be able to train you. Dance, so we'll be able to train you on dance also, different art forms of dance. Then exercise, every day we'll see that you exercise regularly and we will keep a record. And this is a very unique program where you will learn everything and we will be able to guide you. All the best, students.